All right, so today's plan is we're gonna go to Dudu's house. The septic tank is pretty much finished and it's dug. So this is our first time trying to build a waterless CR. So the materials might be just slightly different. We're not sure exactly what they're going to be, but they're almost the same. We're building the CR on top of the septic tank because it's gonna be a hole and then the walls. Pretty much just to do your business with some privacy. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go order the supplies or get a list of the supplies, talk to the worker, and we'll show you what they have so far. It's pretty much done. And then after that, we might go to Mary Joy, have a little gift for her, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we just had a very long conversation. I'll update you guys in a second, but here's the hole. Pretty large. So they're pretty much done. So we talked to Dudu, and we kind of had a family vote, and kind of like the pros and the cons. We pretty much, just long story short, we decided to do 2 into 1, which meaning they're gonna have the toilet, which they can use water. Like in rainy season, it's a little bit easier to get water, and but you know, in the dry season, it is difficult to get water. So we're gonna try to do 2 in 1. We're gonna put another hole, and then we'll try to cover up the best that we can with like PVC pipe and put a top on it so the smell doesn't come out. And then they have the option to do 2. So if they have enough water to flush it, they can use that. But if they don't have any water, and you know, you gotta go, they just will have the option to not use water. Yeah. So the whole family kind of voted, and we said, hey, we'll try that. So this is the first of maybe many, of maybe none at all, but this will be the first one of trying.
If there is 3-in-1 coffee,
3-in-1
there
coffee.
is 2-in-1 CR.
2-in-1 CR. Yeah, so I've never seen another one that had a 2-in-1. So we'll see how this goes, but I think it should be pretty good. So it kind of covers both problems, because some of the challenges here is water. And another thing we'll get them some tubs so they can collect water, and maybe some kind of have water system where they can get enough water. But then if worst case scenario they do run out of water, they can always just take off the PVC thing and then go directly there. So that's the plan. So we have the list here, and we have the hard workers here, and very knowledgeable. So I think this is going to turn out good, and I think it's gonna be interesting. So hopefully you guys are interested too in this, and then it should cover the challenge of not having water. So where they get water is down there. They walk down there, you can see the path, and then they go down there to get the water. So you can only, like, each person can only carry like 1 or 2 at a time. So we hope this will help them out a little bit, and then they can have both options. So they can flush if they want to, and then if they run out of water. Yeah. So what do you think?
I noticed, bro, there is the Dudu CR is unique. There's the duck security guard.
The duck, he's keeping everybody out. It's like, hey, I don't know you. You can't get in here.
Hey, don't cook me.
We have a deal. If you don't cook me, you can use the CR. But all right, so we have our list, and then we're gonna go get this today. So we don't know how long it'll take to get it. Sometimes it comes the same day. Sometimes it takes a little while. But anyway, so that's the plan. Yeah. So cool. So it's nice seeing everybody. And then we'll start showing the process of this. So exciting. I'm excited for this one just because it's new. And so a little background. So what we're going to do is build the CR kind of the normal way, but we're going to build it right on top of here. So what we have to do is to make sure the top is extra strong. So we have to order a little bit extra cement and extra rebar, extra strong rebar, and just to make sure it has enough support. Yeah. So but I think he's done. He actually has done them before, so he knows what to do. But we're gonna make sure it's extra strong so it doesn't fall through, and then we'll just go from there. Yeah,
2-in-1 CR.
2-in-1 CR. Yeah, it could be a new thing. All right, so I guess we'll carry on, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, sounds good. All right, so just a little update what we're gonna do outside to try to help with the water situation. We're gonna put a little gutter system up here, and then I'll get maybe a couple barrels to put them somewhere where the water collects. So that's here, and then they have another side that they did have it already, but I think we're gonna replace it because there's a couple holes. But here, we'll just replace this and then put another barrel underneath. This one's a little old, there's a couple holes in there. So it doesn't really hold water right now, but we're gonna replace this and put one over there, and then we'll get 2 big barrels, and that should help with the water problem. So that's kind of update here. We have the list now, and then we'll just carry on to the store and then get the stuff. So hopefully they deliver soon. All right, guys. So we're at Kim's house in the books and posting when everyone's here. But before we begin, we have milk tea. And I'm not sure she ever had a treat before. But hey, buddy. What do you think?
Milk tea called that one longanisa.
Longanisa?
Looks like longanisa.
Ah. What do you think, bro?
You say bra.
I think
It's
she
a
likes
girl.
it. Hey, bro. I think she likes it. I got plenty more, bro.
Bra.
Hey.
You know,
Wow.
she's like coffee growing up.
Yeah, it really looks like just like coffee. Vegan's is it coffee's relative?
No.
No. The resemblance of coffee is almost the same, just a different color. Wow, she's eating these fast. All right, so Richie didn't get to see Kim's room yet.
Yeah.
So you excited to see it?
Yeah.
All right, so
Dustin, give me pictures. Send me pictures. Nice.
pretty
Oh,
cool.
may clip pa. Wow, cabinet.
And it's really spacious, I think.
Wow,
She's
Kim
told
has a lot of clothes, huh?
Did it all fit in there?
So the thing, Kim? Okay.
So now she has a desk, and it seems like they can all kind of use it. I mean, if they
Yeah.
want to take turns or something. Well, that's cool.
This is Kim's office.
Yeah.
Kim's life. Or ano lang daw? Oh. Oh, la. There's here. Oh.
Do you like that blanket? When we saw this blanket in the store, it's very, very soft.
Oh.
Yeah.
We'll sleep here. Kim. Let's change room, Kim. You sleep there. I'll sleep here. Barker.
Kim, is it easier to do your homework here? Oh, hey! He's looking for more treats.
Ngari ba na ka mag-homework, Kim? Oh, ganun. Wala man, di ba na mag-homework? Sometimes.
Yeah.
But right now he's done with so. But Kelsey and Francis can.
They do your homework there too? Oh, nice.
Ayaw
So
mo Francis
they
down?
all get to use it. It's nice just to be able to have a spot. You sit down, do your homework. You know,
Yeah.
it's at least they have a spot and they have a nice light and put all their different things there.
I saw them all here. They like this area. This is their hangout area.
And it's nice and cool in here. Like there's some comments saying it might be too hot here, but it has enough shade. There's lots of trees around, and it has the air can circulate through there. And then with the fan going, I think it feels really nice in here. So, all right, we just want to come and check up and see how it's been going. So you like it so far?
Okay, right
So far, so good? All right. So again, thank you to everyone that was that helped out with this project. That was a lot of fun seeing the progress of this. So now they have a whole extra room and a study room. So I guess we'll see you guys at the next project or the next location. I'm not sure where we're going after this. But we'll see you guys later. So thank you to everyone that was involved with this.
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you.
All right, hey guys. So we're with Mary Jane, Mary Joy, and Leo John.
Yes.
All right. So today we have a gift. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been giving all these wonderful gifts to this family. And we have another one that he said they can use it for whatever they want, some other things that they might need. In the past, if you haven't seen other videos, we got a 50 sack of rice, a whole bunch of treats from the box, and then snacks, and then we got shopping for the clothes,
Groceries,
toys, a whole bunch of different stuff. So today, it's nice to have some extra cash.
Yes.
So
Yung nga yung mata dahil, ano yung kamot? Yung nga yung mata. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Buka. Tadaan! Kabala ka sana?
how much is there? Do you want to count it?
Ipa. Yes, 1,500, 5, Wait, 1,800. Mana, may joy.
And that's a big thank you to Jonathan.
Ina, thank you, Kuya Jonathan. Nada, ina, thank you, Kuya Jonathan. Thank you. Alright.
And she's free to use that whatever she wants to use it for. So if she wants to get some other things, and it's nice to have extra cash just in
Pwede ka pa
case.
itong makaon, bubot, anahan. Kanang lumpia. Imuhan na ha. Palit ka makaon daghan. Alright, she will go to take a bath.
Okay.
Yes.
So we don't want to disturb them. They're having some family time. So we're going to get going. And thank you again to Jonathan. Thank you very much. So we'll see you guys next time, okay?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dai. Mary Joy.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
So if you guys haven't seen the other videos, here's some Doo-Doo's kids.
Yeah.
They live right down the area.
They're neighbors.
So bye, guys. So if you haven't seen other videos, this is where our other CR project is going to go. So we're going to wait to start this until we finish Doo-Doo's family. So we're going to do that first and then come back here.
Yeah.
But I guess we're going to say our goodbyes. This is the end of it. We have to go to town and do some errands. But thank you to Jonathan, and thank you to everyone else that's been helping out with all these things. It's just awesome that you guys are doing this. It's so cool. So I guess we'll say goodbye, and tomorrow we don't have a plan yet, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
But we'll
Close your eyes. Open.
open.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You think I have gift for
I
you?
thought I had a gift. I thought I was gonna get a kiss at least. Man.
I want. There are many kids watching.
Oh, okay, maybe
So
later.
it's a change.
All right, but really, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So God bless. Bye-bye, guys.
Close your eyes.
All right, little ending to the video. We're just driving by, and look who it is on his bicycle.
We saw him the other day.
Yeah, we saw him all the way in town.
Yeah.
So that was you, right? I mean, we knew we saw him, but we didn't get a chance to talk
Ikaw
to
to
him.
na, amo nakitaan. Yeah.
So how long does it take you to get to town on your bicycle?
Pila ka oras gikan diri pa dong sa Toledo? Almost two?
Almost 2 hours?
Oh, but maybe he
Wow.
will go different like that. But not almost there. I think only half hour something.
Yeah, it depends. I think if you go straight there, it's a little bit less than that. But that's, I mean, it's nice that he gets to use his bike to go pretty much, now he's
Yeah.
free to go wherever he wants.
Galaglag ka ato daw? Yeah.
How- How's Chalamet doing on her bike?
Gusto sila may?
Naroon dito.
Nagkabaw siyang bike.
Kubo naman.
She knows now.
Ah, that's cool. I figured she was going to learn quick because when you were trying to help her,
Yeah.
at the very end, she was starting to get it on her own. So I think she's just a quick learner. That's awesome. So that's good, man. It's good to see you. They're having a little races going through here. So I don't want to take up much of their time. I just want to show you guys that Michael is enjoying his bike. So cool. So I guess this is the ending of the video. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. You guys want to say bye-bye, Michael?
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye, guys.